During the 2019 IBIE, Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery, and IBIE committee leadership presented CraftMark Bakery with the Top Honors Best in Baking Award in the Product Innovation category for high-volume wholesale bakeries.
Hi, I'm Liz Rayo. I'm Senior Vice President of Marketing and Innovation for CraftMark Bakery. And I'm very proud to have been awarded the top honors in the IBIE Best in Baking Award for our clean label cookie development. Clean label is the big core competency of CraftMark. It's something that we really lead with and will continue to be a really important part of our innovation strategy moving forward. And again, just really proud to receive this award from IBIE and the Best in Baking team. Thank you.